everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am working on Shine from Craftably, and I am almost done. I just have this part right here. I've been flying through it, lots of late nights, can't sleep. Insomnia is great when you want to get diamond painting done quickly, but I have two unboxings, accessories, and I wanted to unbox them right away. This one is from Oh Snap Crafters Cafe. I have been waiting, and I finally caught up with her. So here we go. This is from Jenny, and I will put her link down below, but it's her Etsy store, Oh Snap Crafters Cafe. And she has this little thank you gift in here, which looks like some washi tape and a sunshine sticker, and oh, this little coffee flavored Werther's Original. Yes, so here we go. She does cover minders with a twist. Oh, and what I love, let me get this taken apart here, is that these are scented minders and notions. Okay, here's her little business card. Thank you for your order, friend. I appreciate you. I also sent the turquoise tree minder as a gift. Oh, thank you. Okay, I don't want to hurt anything. Okay, here we go. So what it is you can get the base, and you can, it's the cover minder, right? And so she has these nice magnets. And what is a cover minder, if you're new, is something that holds your plastic back. So here's my plastic, and I want to hold it back so it doesn't keep flipping in my way. So I can put one magnet underneath and the base on the top, and there you go. Now, why do I call it a base? I call it a base because you can exchange. You can buy these little snaps or these little buttons as well. And these go right on top and they snap in. And I got this Be Kind. Oh, I thought it was so cute. Had my favorite colors in it. And she sends this guitar pick. Now, this does not mean she wants you to start playing an instrument. This is a way to get underneath and help the snap come off, so you can exchange it for another snap. Like so. All right. Now, so I got a base and two snaps. She does do drops, so you have to be looking out for it. So I got the Be Kind snap. And then I got this tree, and this is a scented one. Now, I originally got it unscented so I could put my own oils in it. But this has a little pad, comes in here, and you can put your essential oil in the pad, and then you close it up. And now, as you are, like if you're not into patty wax or pretty placer, you can have something really smelly and pretty as your cover minder. And then, ooh, these are so cute. Jenny threw this in as a gift. Thank you so much, Jenny. It pays to support small businesses. But isn't that so fun? So this is also a base as well. And it's got the magnet on the back. That's super cute. And you guys can make these too if you make jewelry. This is great. You could get into that and hook up with Jenny. Yes. Okay. So that is from Jenny, Oh Snap Crafters Cafe. Can't wait to start using those. My next one is from diamondpaintingdrills.com, and she does the ABs of the month, and I'm addicted, and I couldn't decide whether to get them in squares or in rounds. So here we go. Just say this. Ooh, new crystal glow in the dark drill square. Woo, woo, woo. And what I love too is Diamond Painting Drills is also, Alyssa is one of our sponsors for drills and shells. So this is the August one. I waited last minute to order it. I had a lot going on. But she came out with glow in the dark squares. Look at these. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to go check these out. Right. Okay, so she gives you a sticker. Oops, let's put this down because I don't want to make a mistakey wakey. Get a little sticker. And I get both the round and the square because I can't decide. I will have to decide eventually because I can't afford to keep doing this. But it's okay. It's all right. I've been using them to spice up my life. And the reason I also loved August is because look at these colors. I thought they would go great with Monster Mash. So what she does is she gives you a percentage off for the month of August, and any of these colors you can get either in the sample pack or you can get them solo, and they're absolutely gorgeous. So you get 12 in the sample pack, and these are just so bright and pretty. These are the squares. I love that she, you know, puts everything on here. And then this shows you it's the rounds. Just open the rounds up. Sometimes because they're not offered in the same colors yet, you might have a little bit of a difference in color. So here's the rounds, which I will be using some of these for the Monster Mash. Now, I am videotaping this after the month of August, so I am looking forward to September's. So excited. I'm gonna have to get a bigger box. Let me see here real quick. So these colors, yeah, so like the yellow, nope, those are the same. Okay, so this month they're all the same colors, and they are like this, where they're in a little container. You open the container. I think there's like 600 of these, which is great if you want to spice up your diamond painting. All right, well, thank you, Alyssa, so much. I can't wait to see what you have for September. Go check out diamondpaintingdrills.com and go check out on Etsy, Oh Snap Crafters Cafe. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.